I'm going to show you all reports of mine, which was test, especially which was done by the doctors. And on the basis of those reports, I took medicines for a long time, but it didn't work because here nearby my village there are not very good doctor. They are not well qualified. They don't know about this thing. So I'm just going to show you my report so that if any one of you who knows about this particular thing, then you can help me, you can guide me, you can tell me if there is any doctor who is really very good, so that I can go to that doctor, I can visit that doctor, and I can cure my this issue. Because I would say one lady, she has called me and she told me that she also went through this thing, and she also suggested me homeopathic medicine, which is Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba, and I have started taking it, but as a homeopathic medicines, it really takes time to cure any of your health issues. So I thought, why not just try this? So I thought about sharing my all reports with you. So if anyone of you who's a doctor, whose relative is ENT specialist, so you can help me in that case. Because you know what is my problem? I just want to tell you, I can hear, there's no doubt. I can hear anyone, but the problem is when it comes to understand. If in front of me, if somebody speaks, then I get, yeah, they are speaking. But at that time, I don't get what they are speaking. I don't understand their talk, what they talk. So this is my issue. I can hear. Even in my reports, you can see properly that it's mild to moderate hearing loss. And apart from this, I haven't got anything from my reports. So you just tell me which one should be the best way to cure this. I have, as you know, I am doing my yoga and morning walk every day, yoga, exercise, pranayam. I do every day. There is no doubt. I don't know what became the reason for this issue, and but I would like to say I have really thought a lot about this thing, and my heart, it's not ready to accept that I should give up. As all of you, you have really motivated me a lot, and you have said you should not give up. Same thing says my heart. I pondered several times. I pondered upon it several times, and each and every time it says, your destiny is written only in this thing. If you have started your journey once, then you should keep doing this thing, no matter how much difficult it is. So there is no doubt I will be making videos as I am making, but I am so much curious only about learning. Because being a learner, I'm also supposed to keep learning new things on daily basis, some expresses, some phrasal verbs, some idioms, some vocabulary. So I am worried about that thing. And the second thing, because of which I'm so nervous, that I won't be able to have session. And I really love having session. I really love taking classes, because whenever I take my classes, whenever I have session with somebody, so it always encourages me. It always gives me lots of strength to be on my journey, to be motivated. So please help me in that case, and I'll be really very grateful to you if this trick will help me. And if you really know any of the doctor who is really very good, and you have that doctor has got somebody without facing lots of issues, then please tell me. I will definitely go to that doctor. I will definitely visit that doctor so that I can just keep working on. I can't tell you, I can't help learning English language. I can't help making videos. So hope you would understand me, and whatever I am asking, you would definitely help me in that case. If you have helped me so far, so you would definitely help me, because I know that if something will happen, or if nothing happens in that case, then still I will have to live my life. But if through a person I would just completely cure this problem, then I will be grateful for that person for my whole life, because that person will give me a new life. It will be kind of giving me a new life. So please, 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 just check my reports, and if you know somebody, then take help of that person, and please guide me what should be my next step. We'll meet in a next video. Till then, bye bye.